Are you thinking of switching to an electric car but scared of breakdowns, battery failures, or high repair bills? Worry no more. In this video, we're revealing the top 11 most reliable electric cars of all time, vehicles trusted by thousands, backed by solid engineering, and known for going the distance without issues. Whether you're a daily commuter or a long-distance traveler, these EVs are built to last. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. So let's dive into the most dependable electric rides ever built. Number 1. We have Tesla Model 3. The Tesla Model 3 has revolutionized the electric car industry and continues to be one of the most dependable EVs on the market. Built with a minimalist design, robust software updates, and strong performance, the Model 3 has consistently impressed owners with minimal issues over long-term use. Its powertrain is built to last, and Tesla's over-the-air updates keep the car fresh and functional without needing to visit a service center. Owners frequently report high satisfaction due to the vehicle's low cost of ownership and excellent battery longevity. Even after 100,000 miles, many Model 3s retain more than 90% of their battery health. With regenerative braking reducing wear on brake components and fewer moving parts in the electric drivetrain, long-term maintenance is incredibly low. Plus, with Tesla's supercharger network, the Model 3 becomes a reliable road trip companion. This car combines performance, range, and dependability like no other in its price range. It's no wonder it ranks at the top of nearly every EV reliability survey. If you're looking for an electric vehicle that won't let you down, the Model 3 is a smart and future-proof choice. Number 2. We have Nissan Leaf. The Nissan Leaf holds a special place in EV history as one of the first mass-market electric cars, and it has proven its reliability year after year. Since its debut in 2010, the Leaf has been praised for its simplicity, low maintenance costs, and dependable daily performance, making it a favorite among budget-conscious electric vehicle buyers. The Leaf uses an air-cooled battery system that, while different from Tesla's liquid-cooled design, has shown solid durability in moderate climates. Many early Leaf models are still on the road today, some with over 150,000 miles and minimal degradation. That's a clear sign of the model's long-term dependability. Its electric motor is efficient and rarely reported for failure, and the vehicle's regenerative braking helps extend brake life. The second-generation Leaf, launched in 2018, brought more range, a stronger battery, and additional safety features while keeping the same trusted mechanical foundation. Even more impressively, maintenance is nearly worry-free. With no oil changes, no transmission repairs, and very few moving parts under the hood, long-term Leaf ownership saves drivers time and money. It's not a flashy EV, but it gets the job done reliably. Whether you're a city commuter or a short-distance traveler, the Nissan Leaf remains a practical and dependable option. For anyone looking to enter the EV world with peace of mind, the Leaf is still one of the safest and smartest choices. Number 3. We have Chevrolet Bolt EV. The Chevrolet Bolt EV is often overlooked, but when it comes to long-term dependability, this compact electric hatchback truly shines. Since its introduction in 2017, the Bolt has built a reputation for delivering solid range, strong performance, and incredible reliability, all at a surprisingly affordable price point. What makes the Bolt EV stand out is its simplicity and consistency. It features a robust 66 kilowatt-hour battery pack that delivers over 250 miles of range, and owners have reported very little battery degradation even after years of daily use. The motor is smooth and responsive, and its regenerative braking system enhances both efficiency and brake longevity. Chevrolet's engineering focus on safety and durability paid off. Although there was a battery recall in early models, General Motors responded quickly, replaced affected packs, and ensured newer models were built with upgraded safety measures, further boosting owner confidence. Inside, the Bolt offers a practical design with generous cargo space for its size, intuitive tech, and a comfortable ride. The car's low operating costs minimal maintenance needs, and dependable performance make it one of the best choices for budget-conscious EV buyers. With thousands of satisfied drivers and high ratings in consumer reliability reports, the Chevrolet Bolt EV is a quiet achiever in the electric world. If you're looking for a proven, efficient, and reliable electric car for daily use, the Bolt won't let you down. Number 4. We have Hyundai Kona Electric. The Hyundai Kona Electric has earned a stellar reputation for being one of the most dependable electric crossovers on the road. Introduced in 2018, this compact SUV combines practicality, solid range, and impressive build quality, all backed by Hyundai's industry-leading warranty. One of the standout features of the Kona Electric is its battery reliability. Equipped with a 64 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery, it offers up to 258 miles of range on a full charge. More importantly, owners consistently report minimal battery degradation over time, making it ideal for long-term ownership. Hyundai's advanced thermal management system also helps extend the battery's lifespan, even in hotter climates. The electric motor is punchy yet smooth, and regenerative braking helps reduce wear and tear on the brake system. The car's handling is nimble for a crossover, and its cabin is surprisingly refined, with a quiet ride and quality materials. What really sets the Kona Electric apart is its track record for very few reported mechanical issues. From its sturdy chassis to its software systems, Hyundai has engineered this EV with durability in mind. Even Consumer Reports and J.D. Power have consistently ranked the Kona Electric as one of the most trouble-free EVs on the market. Number 5. We have BMW i3. The BMW i3 may look quirky at first glance, but it's a pioneering electric vehicle that has proven to be remarkably reliable over time. Launched in 2013, the i3 was one of the first premium EVs to hit the market and has since built a strong reputation for its build quality, engineering innovation, and long-term dependability. Constructed with a lightweight carbon fiber reinforced body and an aluminum chassis, the i3 is not only efficient but also structurally robust. It features a compact yet efficient electric motor that delivers quick acceleration and consistent performance. While its all-electric range is more modest compared to newer EVs, especially in earlier models, it still performs reliably for daily commuting and urban driving. What makes the i3 stand out in terms of reliability is its engineering simplicity and strong battery management system. Many early models are still on the road today, often with well over 100,000 miles and minimal battery degradation. BMW also offered a range extender version, a small gasoline engine that acts as a generator, which added flexibility without compromising the electric drive reliability. The interior may be small, but it's filled with high-quality materials and a futuristic design that has aged surprisingly well. Maintenance costs are low thanks to its electric drivetrain, and major mechanical issues are rare. Number 6. We have Hyundai Ioniq Electric. The Hyundai Ioniq Electric is one of the most underrated yet highly reliable electric vehicles ever made. Launched in 2016, the Ioniq was designed with efficiency and longevity in mind. While it may not have the flashiest design or the longest range, it delivers dependable, worry-free performance year after year. The Ioniq Electric features a well-engineered 38.3 kilowatt-hour battery pack in its latest versions, providing a respectable range of around 170 miles. But where it truly shines is in battery durability and system reliability. The car's thermal management system keeps the battery temperature stable, resulting in minimal degradation even after extensive use. Owners consistently report low maintenance costs, rarely experiencing drivetrain issues, battery faults, or major service visits. Its electric motor is simple and built to last, and regenerative braking helps extend brake life and energy efficiency. Hyundai's generous 10-year/100,000-mile warranty adds even more confidence for long-term owners. Inside, the Ioniq offers a clean, user-friendly interface and comfortable seating for daily driving. While it may not have the flash of newer models, It focuses on what matters most: efficiency and reliability. The Ioniq Electric is an ideal choice for drivers who prioritize dependability over performance or luxury. With its proven track record, low cost of ownership, and minimal mechanical problems, this car offers peace of mind from day one. For anyone looking for a trustworthy EV that just works every day without fail, the Ioniq Electric deserves serious consideration. Number 7. We have Kia Niro EV. The Kia Niro EV is one of the most balanced and reliable electric vehicles available today. Since its release in 2018, it has earned praise for its dependability, practical design, and excellent range, all wrapped in a family-friendly crossover body style. Under the hood, the Niro EV shares its powertrain with the Hyundai Kona Electric, meaning it benefits from the same proven reliability. It comes with a 64 kilowatt-hour battery that delivers up to 239 miles of real-world range, and the battery's thermal management system ensures long-term durability across various climates. What makes the Niro EV particularly dependable is its consistency. Owners frequently report few mechanical issues even after years of use. The electric motor remains smooth and responsive, and the regenerative braking system helps minimize wear on brake pads. Kia also includes a long warranty, up to 10 years or 100,000 miles, reinforcing confidence in the vehicle's build quality. Inside, the Niro EV is practical and user-friendly, with plenty of space for passengers and cargo. It includes straightforward tech, smart storage solutions, and a comfortable ride, making it ideal for families and commuters alike. Number 8. We have Audi e-tron. The Audi e-tron brings luxury and reliability together in one premium electric package. Launched in 2019, this mid-size electric SUV is built with typical Audi craftsmanship and has earned a strong reputation for being one of the most dependable high-end EVs on the market. Underneath its sleek exterior, the e-tron features a dual-motor all-wheel drive system and a 95 kilowatt-hour battery, offering a range of around 222 miles. While not the longest range in its class, the e-tron focuses on consistent performance and long-term durability. Audi's engineering team built this EV with a focus on thermal battery stability, resulting in less battery degradation and fewer overheating issues. What sets the e-tron apart in reliability is its quiet and smooth ride quality, along with a well-tested drivetrain that rarely causes trouble. The suspension system and cabin components are designed for longevity, and real-world owner reports reflect a low rate of service issues compared to many other luxury EVs. Inside, it's all about comfort and intuitive technology. Audi has designed the e-tron with an easy-to-use infotainment system and high-end materials throughout. Even as the tech ages, it remains stable, responsive, and free of common bugs that plague some rivals. Number 9. We have Toyota bZ4X. Toyota has long been synonymous with reliability, and their first fully electric SUV, the bZ4X, follows in that tradition. Although it only hit the market in 2022, the bZ4X is built on Toyota's decades of experience with hybrid systems, and that shows in its solid engineering and long-term dependability. The bZ4X features a 71.4 kilowatt-hour battery or slightly larger in the all-wheel drive version, delivering up to 252 miles of range depending on the configuration. What makes it stand out is Toyota's conservative yet proven approach to EV technology. Instead of pushing for record-breaking performance, Toyota focused on system longevity, battery stability, and everyday usability. Initial owner feedback and reliability data suggest very few issues with the drivetrain, software, or charging system, especially compared to some newer EV brands. Its battery uses liquid cooling to maintain safe temperatures and reduce long-term degradation, ensuring consistent performance over time. Inside, the bZ4X offers a modern, minimalist design with intuitive controls, a wide touchscreen, and a quiet ride. It's practical and easy to live with, making it ideal for families and daily drivers. While not the most exciting EV, it's built with the kind of attention to durability that Toyota is famous for. If you're looking for a new generation electric vehicle that you can trust for the long haul, with no headaches, recalls, or surprises, the Toyota BZ4X is a great option. It delivers what Toyota drivers expect: reliability first, everything else second. Number 10. We have Ford Mustang Mach-E. The Ford Mustang Mach-E brings a bold mix of performance, style, and reliability to the electric vehicle market. Since its debut in 2021, it has quickly become one of the most successful EVs from a traditional automaker, earning praise not just for its looks and features, but for its dependable performance. Built on Ford's global electrified One platform, the Mach-E features a range of battery options, offering up to 312 miles depending on the configuration. But beyond numbers, Ford focused on long-term durability and consistency. The battery system uses liquid cooling for better thermal regulation, and the powertrain has proven itself in real-world conditions with low failure rates. Owners often highlight how few issues they experience even after months or years of daily use. Software glitches are rare, the drivetrain is smooth and resilient, and Ford continuously updates the system over the air to improve efficiency and fix bugs, helping to keep the vehicle running at its best without the need for service visits. The Mach-E also scores high in crash safety and includes features like Blue Cruise for hands-free driving. Despite being a relatively new model, it has shown impressive build quality across its trims, and early production kinks were quickly addressed by Ford. With strong customer satisfaction ratings, a wide service network, and American muscle-inspired design, the Mustang Mach-E offers not only excitement but long-term peace of mind. It's a solid choice for anyone who wants reliability without sacrificing fun and modern tech. Number 11. We have Rivian R1T. The Rivian R1T is a game-changer in the electric truck segment, and surprisingly, it's also one of the most reliable new EVs on the market. Launched in late 2021, this all-electric adventure truck was built from the ground up by Rivian, and despite being a newcomer, the R1T has proven to be incredibly well-engineered and dependable. Under the rugged exterior, the R1T features a quad-motor setup that delivers powerful performance and precision handling in all terrains. Its 135 kilowatt-hour battery pack offers over 300 miles of range and includes advanced thermal management systems that help prevent overheating and extend battery health over time. What makes the R1T stand out in reliability is how few mechanical or battery-related issues owners have reported. Rivian's engineering focuses heavily on durability, including waterproofing key components for off-road use and building the suspension system to handle rough terrain without constant maintenance. Inside, the cabin feels upscale and thoughtfully designed, using high-quality materials built to withstand both daily driving and outdoor abuse. Over-the-air updates keep software glitches at bay and improve functionality without dealership visits. Even as a startup brand, Rivian has built a reputation for excellent customer service and quick support, which adds another layer of trust for buyers. With its rugged build, high-performance capabilities, and minimal reported issues, the R1T isn't just adventurous, it's dependable. If you're looking for an electric truck that's tough, smart, and built to last, the Rivian R1T is more than up for the task. And there you have it, the top 11 most reliable electric cars of all time. Whether you want cutting-edge performance or long-term peace of mind, these EVs deliver both. Drop a comment below with your favorite, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our next electric adventure.